I'm here to let you in on a little secret today. Expert makeup does not need expert skills. I'm gonna show you 3 super simple hacks that'll help you fake it till you make it. I've read your comments, concerns, and complaints. I know that graying and creasing makeup is a constant problem, but the solution to this is really simple. Just do your makeup in reverse. Spray on your setting spray before your foundation. I know this is completely ulta, but doing this will prevent your skin's oils that turn your foundation grey from creating havoc on your skin. Plus, its long-lasting benefits last either way. Just apply your loose powder inwards. Apply it towards the inner corner of your eye, and for the mouth, apply it upwards. Now your loose powder will sit right into your creases and camouflage them completely. I used to have creasing makeup under my eyes and around my mouth, and I thought there was no solution to this. But this reverse setting method completely changed my life. These were the 5 stages of lipstick grief I'd go through before I knew about this long-lasting lipstick hack. First, moisturize. So the fine lines on your lips won't show through, and also your lipstick will be applied so much smoother. Next, apply lipstick. And I hope this isn't a lot to ask, but stay within the lines. Okay then, hang on for Q-tips. Now apply translucent loose powder over this. I know this is like a full-fledged process, but please trust me, there's just one more step left.
One more step.
Just trust me, please. Don't curse me for the number of steps in this hack, because your lipstick is now gonna last all day long with 0 touch-ups. Thank you very much. Every makeup beginner I've talked to has given me the same line about eyeshadow. Eyeshadow and all is so complicated, yeah, I can't do it. I don't even bother. No, please do bother, because this is the easiest method I've come across for eyeshadow. Introducing the Wi-Fi method. You only need 3 eyeshadow shades for this. A deep, a medium, and a light. And they're easily found in every eyeshadow palette. Apply the 3 shades in one line, going from deep to light. Now you'll lose your mind with this next step. Just rub your eyes. Not insanely though, just enough to get the 3 shades blended. Can you believe it was this simple? Any sleepy individual like me can master this technique. Try these hacks, please. You're not going to regret it, and your makeup is going to have a complete glow up. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.